Hey, it's Megan here, and in this video I'll be reviewing my portable dryer. I'm going to share everything I love about this portable dryer and some things for you to consider before purchasing. So let's start with the things that I love about this portable dryer. I love how even though it's super small and portable, it can fit up to 9 articles of clothes depending on the thickness and type of clothing that you are putting in. Will of course affect the time, the amount of time it does take to dry. But I do love that I feel like I can fit more clothes in this portable dryer than others that I've used in the past. The next thing I love is that it is super lightweight. I can lift it with one hand easily, and I think that makes it great not only for setup but also for storage. You don't have to worry about extra weight if you are, say, packing this on a trip with you, or you're just storing this in your RV or camping gear or something like that. I think it's really important that a portable dryer is lightweight, and this definitely has that feature. And the next thing I love is that it's super easy to set up and it's super easy to store. So the way you set it up is you start by flipping it upside down and opening it up. You'll find the outlet cord in there, and you would just put that over to the side so you can get your cloth cover hooked into the portable dryer. From there, you would flip it back over and get it hung up, and then you are ready to go. It is that simple. The only extra step you might need to take if you don't have a rod to hang it on is it does come with this really convenient dryer hanging rod, which allows you to get it set up on a edge or a piece of furniture or whatever you do have available. So I think that's a nice additional bonus that this portable dryer has. And then it is super easy to store as well. So the cord fits right inside, and you can even fit the cloth cover within the dryer itself as well, which makes it just super easy to keep away, especially if you are keeping this in an RV or you are planning to pack it for business trips. And then the final thing I love before sharing a few considerations for you is I love that it is quiet in its operation. And then of course it has its timer features that you can see here on the front. You know, if you are only doing a few lightweight pieces of clothing, I find that it can take as little as 20 minutes to go through a dry session. If you have more heavy clothing in there or just have more pieces of clothing in there in general, then it is going to take a little longer. You have to be a little bit patient with it. It can go anywhere from 1 to 4 hours. So you do have to have a little patience with that. I'd say that's the first thing you do need to know. And then the other few things to know before purchasing is one, while it's quiet and it can be super quick to use, it does heat up small spaces. It is a dryer after all. So that is just something to consider and know if you are bringing it into something like a hotel room or an RV. You might want to think about opening up a window or something like that so you can get your clothes dried nice and quickly. And then the other thing to consider before purchasing is its size. It is super small and super lightweight. It does only fit up to 9 articles of clothing. You can't do your entire wardrobe in this portable dryer. So I think that's definitely something to consider, but it is something, the size is something I'm super happy with. I can hang dry smaller articles of clothing, and then I have my dryer for things that I would like more of a quick dry on. So I'm super happy with its size and functionality overall. So overall, I am incredibly happy with this portable dryer. I think it's just so easy to use. It's such a handy gadget to have around, whether you just need to quick dry some things after doing physical activity, or you do live in an RV or take an RV around, or if you are traveling and want to have the ability to dry things. There are so many reasons that this dryer could come in super handy. I absolutely love every feature that it has with it, and I hope you enjoy yours too.